Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to provide you the information about the upcoming videos on this channel. So basically, this video is an update about the upcoming videos and what kind of discussion we will do in those videos. I'm just going to provide you that information in this video so that you all will be familiar with it and you will not miss the information I'm going to share with you in the upcoming videos. Also guys, before starting the discussion about this thing, I would like to suggest you one thing here, that if you have already subscribed this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, that is very good. But if you are not going to get the notification of the new videos I upload, please check that along with the subscribed written below this video. If you have subscribed it already, that subscribed will be written there. Done. So along with that, there is a bell icon. Now, whether there are like two wings of that bell icon or not. So if it is there, that means you have clicked on that bell icon. But if it is not there, that means you have not switched on the notifications. So you can click on that bell icon once. Clear? Now, let me just provide you the information about this thing, that how it's gonna be the next level learning. Basically guys, till now the videos I have provided you, in those videos we have done the discussion about a particular topic. It was just a trick, it was just the discussion about a formula or a question or just some information. But if I'm going to talk about the upcoming videos, in the upcoming videos I am going to discuss a particular chapter of a particular subject and from a particular book, and mainly these books will be the standard reference books. So guys, most of the times students know about the standard reference books, they want to know about their name and they got to know about that as well, but it is gonna be a difficult task for most of the students to cover up the topics or the points from the books completely. So what we will do, we will try to make it easy for you, and I will try to provide you the information about a particular chapter at a time. Like we will take different chapters, but at a time in one video, what we will do, we will consider one particular chapter, and then what are the main points in that chapter in a particular book. So I will also let you know the name of the book, I will let you know what chapter we are discussing, what are the topics we are having there. Clear? And what are those points from that particular chapter or from its topics which we all should know, whether it's gonna be an important point, an important concept, or just a formula. Clear? So every discussion is going to be there. I hope that in this way the videos will be very much helpful for you, and in a very easy manner, in very less time, you will be able to cover up the chapters of your important books and of the important subjects for your upcoming exam preparation. Even if you are preparing for upcoming CSI or Net Physics exam, the videos will be helpful for you. But if you are just like preparing for your semester exams for MSc and BSc, still these videos will be helpful for you. Clear? So in all ways the videos are going to be helpful. Okay, and we will try to discuss all these things in very less time. So guys, this is an important update about the upcoming discussion which we will do in our upcoming videos. Clear? So that's how it's gonna be next level learning. Done? Now let's learn and grow together guys. Why? Because you know that on this channel we are having so many students together, those who are going to prepare. Okay, so in this way, when we are going to discuss the topics, I hope that we all are going to learn the things together, as well as we all will grow together. And guys, actually everything is easy. I hope that if you are attending my live sessions, if you are watching the videos I have provided you, you will have a clear idea about this thing, that topics are quite easy. Everything is easy actually, but if anytime we are finding something difficult, that means we just need to change the way we are looking at that, we are preparing the topic, and just by changing our attitude towards that topic, the way we were preparing it, we can make the things very simple and very easy. So guys, I hope it is gonna be very much helpful for all of you. Next thing, know how things will work. So basically soon I'm going to start providing you the videos on this channel related to the chapter and a particular subject and a particular standard reference book. So all the details I will share with you in the upcoming videos. Like the next video is going to be about the topic, clear, and not just a topic, chapter and its topics, okay, and the discussion about it. So that's how now you will start getting the videos in such a way, okay, as I have explained you in this video, that what are going to be the discussion, how we are going to consider the things and everything. Now next thing, guys, this can be a turning point in your preparation, because knowledge, whatever knowledge we are already having, if we will add the things in it, if we are improving, it's always going to be beneficial. So it can be a turning point in your preparation, okay. If you are ready to learn, you will get so many things done. Now also, guys, as this time it's gonna be lockdown, the situation, the current situation due to COVID-19. Now what we can do, since we can't work on the, like, so many things, but learning has not been restricted, okay. You can learn the things, you can do the improvements, it is like available to you, okay. And we are just going to try, or we are just going to put the efforts in this direction, so that everybody will be able to learn the things quickly and in less time and in a very good manner or a better way. Done. Now along with this information, guys, one more information is here, that if you want to attend the live sessions by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, then you can also take the Unacademy Plus subscription and attend the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. Along with that, guys, by using the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as you can see I have mentioned it here, okay, no space in between, and exactly in the same way you just need to write the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and by applying it you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now guys, what are the benefits you will get after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription? So doubt clearing sessions will be there, weekly quizzes will be there, mock tests will be there, well planned and well structured courses will be there. Also, you will get the guidance by the top educators, so which will surely help you in doing the best preparation in the remaining time before the exam. So if you want to attend the live classes, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, as well as you can use the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and by applying it you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now one more thing, guys, that if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam YouTube channel, you can subscribe the channel, as well as you can click on the bell icon after clicking on subscribe, so that you will not miss the latest videos I am going to provide you and the discussion we will do in those videos, clear. And even if you are already like a member of this channel, okay, or this family, so guys, basically you can check, if you are not going to get the notification for the latest videos, check whether you have clicked on the bell icon or not. If you have already clicked, okay, don't click again, because it will get off, the notifications will get turned off after that, okay. So check it once, and you can click on the bell icon if you have already not clicked on that, clear. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you, and soon you will get the new video on this channel, in which we will do a very important discussion about a very important chapter of an important subject,